guys, welcome to watch our first FlashPrint tutorial series video. Today we are looking at FlashPrint basic interface, which includes move, scale, rotate, and cut. The icons of these four functions are on the right toolbar and they allow you to make quick changes to your model. In the next videos, I will help you learn more about the FlashPrint. Okay, so firstly, let's briefly introduce this software. It supports Windows, Mac, and Linux. Well, we choose an example model here. For example, is Senator. You can also import any models you want. Just click here and choose whatever you want. But make sure it's an STL file. Okay, here if you want to enlarge the model, just scroll your mouse and hold the right mouse button to see the different position of the model. If you want to move the model, just choose the model and click Move here. You can drag the model, or if for some reason you want to more precious position, you can change the number of X, Y, and Z axis. You can click Center, then the model would be placed in the middle of the platform. Next is rotating. You can rotate the model to an exact orientation. Well, you can drag the different circles here and rotate the model. Or you can easily edit the numbers here. And we put the 19 degrees rotation because this number is used much more frequently. Then is scaling. You can not only scale the model using percentage, you can also scale to an exact size in millimeters. Let's say if you need this cylinder to be exactly 50 millimeters tall, we can simply edit the axis to 15. Hit the enter or anywhere else on the screen and the model will scale accordingly. If you wanted to stretch our model along just one axis, we can uncheck uniform scaling and increase one value, just like this. Well, you can also change the size based on inch. Lastly, the cut. If you ever import a file that contains multiple pieces, use the cut function to split them up so you can work with different parts independently, just like this. And here is an easy way to arrange the parts in the original way. Here I'm using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-A to select all the model parts. Click the right mouse button, you will find Align Models. Now the parts are arranged in the same way they were modeled. To show another example of when the Align Model feature can be useful, here I import Hilbert Cube A and Hilbert Cube B. I know you guys are already familiar with these two models, but how to let them align with each other when we print them? It's easy. Just select both models, click the right mouse button and choose Align Model. Now they are aligned so they will print properly. Well, all our changes are auto-saved, so just we press down when finished. And you can also find the help contents here. I think it would solve your most of problems. And if you have other problem, please leave us a message. Next video, I will show you the regular setting in this printer.